Hello everyone. In today's video, I will walk you through how to add or remove the Microsoft Copilot feature from your Windows taskbar. First, right-click an empty area on your Windows taskbar. You will see options like Taskbar Settings, where you can customize your taskbar appearance and features. Now scroll down in Taskbar Settings to find the toggle for Copilot. If you want it on your taskbar, switch it to on. Now if you'd rather remove it, switch it off. This toggle may appear differently depending on your Windows version, so check for similar wording if you don't see Copilot directly. And that is how to control Copilot on your taskbar. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.